If you only had one day in Manila, where would you go? Today, we're exploring iconic spots, trying local food, and experiencing the real energy of the capital city. This is Manila Vlog. Hey guys! So it's me, CJ, your runaway travel buddy. So, samahan niyo ako ngayon dito sa Manila. So, particularly, I am at Bahay Chinoy. So, ang agenda natin in fantasy today is mag-tour ulit dito sa Manila since marami pa naman tayong hindi napupuntahan dito sa may part ng Manila. So, there's still a lot of tourist spots, food stops, and more. So, let's go guys. So, samahan niyo ako. Tara, runaway tayo. Hey guys, so magla-lunch muna kami dito sa may Sizzling Corner bago kami mag-proceed sa Manila. So here's my food guys. Let's eat! Done with the lunch guys. So same guys, mag-LRT ulit tayo going Manila. So recto lang din ulit yung bababaan. Hey guys, so dito na kami ngayon sa mga LRT station. So after nito, transfer naman po sa Doroteo Jose line. So yun guys, papunta na ng tren going to Central Terminal. So we're here na guys, may Central Terminal Station. So first drop natin guys will be the Arroceros Park. Yan guys, so dito yung magiging daan nyo going to Arroceros Park. So yun na yun guys. So we're here na guys at the Arroceros Park. Tinatawag siyang last lang of Manila. So tinatawag siyang last lang of Manila guys kasi ito yung natitirang parang kumbaga sa, di ba ang lungs is for breathing and taking of carbon dioxide, oxygen. So ganun siya. So kumbaga ito na lang yung last na maraming puno and green lashes, which is ang Manila nga is centralized na. So wala na masyadong puno, more on mga buildings and more. Hey guys, so kung magpupunta kayo dito sa may Manila to tour or mag-chill, you have to bring extra clothes with you kasi sobrang init here. See? Beware of snakes. Di ba may mga snakes kayong kaibigan? Charot. Exit na guys. So we're done with the Arroceros Park.
Po, tatanggalin ko na yun. Wala magtatanggal para sa'yo. O, sige. Pumayag mo. Saan pupunta na?
Okay guys, so next stop natin is Intramuros.
Dito.
Hindi na. Kasi laging nasa Galaan.
Pero, masaya.
At least masaya.
Durog lang.
So yun guys, sakay na kami na Tokto.
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below we fall.
So yun guys, bumaba na kami ng Tokto. So lahat na kami pa Intramuros.
This is the
Wow.
perfect night tonight. Oh, it's now or never. Don't only light up the sky. Now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky.
Esther in Manila.
Ano pa kayo pag si Pablo
Oo. Ang hirap ko ng salita. Nakakadalawang A.
San Agustin Church is the oldest stone church in the Philippines and a UNESCO World Heritage Site located inside the historic district of Intramuros, Manila. It survives multiple earthquakes and the destruction of World War II. So next stop guys will be the Museo, San Agustin Church and Convent.
Wind is blowing
Let's go, guys!
above and down below, we fall into the afterglow.
Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa may Museo San Agustin. So, this will be our fifth museum na napuntahan around Philippines.
It's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, oh, now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I.
So, this is the outside, guys, of the Museo San Agustin.
Let's light up the sky. Let's light up the sky. Just take my hand and we can run like tigers underneath the sun. The moon is old, the night is young, and this is where we all belong. So now, come let your soul and mind unite. Oh, oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, oh, now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I. Let's light up the sky. Let's light up the sky. Light up the sky. Let's light it up. Come on, light it up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's light up the sky. Oh, oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky.
Hey guys, so we're done with the Museo San Agustin. So, next stop na. Yes, so we're done with the Museo San Agustin. So, touchdown guys sila. Yes. So, second time na namin dyan. Pero bibili lang kami ng souvenir. Yan guys. So dito guys sa Silahis, maraming mga souvenirs na pwede niyong bilhin. So dalawang floor ito guys. Yan, mga paintings, crafts. So pwede niyong mapili dito. Mga antiques, books. Yan. So ano guys, pangalawang beses na namin dito. And the reason why we keep coming back is dito kayo bumibili ng mga souvenirs and soap. Cutie na ito. Philippine jeepney. Yan guys, meron mo sila dito sa part na to. So kung gusto nyo mapanood yung full neto guys ng Silahis, meron akong isa sa vlog neto last year. Yes! So dito na guys, Bahay Chinoy. So dito nyo guys isa-settle yung entrance fee ninyo. Oh, ito yung trade route before.
Sa Vegas,
Ay, wow! Bahay Chinoy is a museum that shows the history, culture, and contributions of Chinese Filipinos, Filipino-Chinese community in the Philippines. Chinese peddlers. Ganda, solido. Eh, gagi, natakot ako dito. Gagi, sorry. Natakot ako, nagulat ako. So let's go guys on the second floor. Ah, ito. Hey guys, so we're done with the Bahay Chinoy. So this will be the 6th museum na I was able to check and stroll as well. So probably I'll be heading on to my next museum as well, on the checklist. Yeah, so we're done with the Bahay Chinoy, guys.
Atin ba to? Akin ba? Spicy nuggets.
Wow, ang sarap. Let's eat, guys! So, our day in Manila ends here, guys. So, kung abot ka sa point na to, please drop me by some love, by like, share, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for watching! Super sarap!